That right there is an alligator. Yep, there it goes. There's a gator straight down right there. Big selection of bows here. We've made it to the ranch. All right, we're walking into the marsh. I'm shaking like a... What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. We're starting it off here in front of Bass Pro Shops, but this isn't just any average Bass Pro Shop. There's alligators in front of it, and there's not only alligators here, there's also hogs. So we're starting it off here because, as you probably read by the title and thumbnail, we're gonna be doing some bow fishing today. Not only bow fishing, we're gonna take whatever we get bow fishing back to the house because we don't like to waste anything and feed it to our monster fish. So that'll get started here soon. Let me show you some alligators. The fact that there's just like a please do not feed alligator sign right where you could just pull up in a parking lot totally blows my mind. Look at these guys. There's one right here. There's a gator straight down right there. There's another gator under this boat right here. There's another one over here. You can see his tail. And this enclosure is sick. I mean, it runs all the way over here and around there. Danny's with us today. Hey, Danny.
Crocky, mate.
Crocky. Crocky in the river. Look at the absolute stud. Oh, he's moving. He's moving. Hey, buddy. Dude, I wish I could go in there. Look how clear that water is. If I had one of these, it'd be so cool. Fortunately, you need like hundreds of hours of spending with alligators in order to even get approved for it.
You know a guy, actually. You're fine.
I do know a guy. There's a lot of gators in here. You can see them all in the distance. Really cool enclosure. I'm sure they do like shows and stuff here. I would doubt it. No. I'd be shocked if they didn't. But big old gators, boys and girls. We're not even inside yet. And then there's hogs too, right? This place is so sick. Look at the difference in enclosure. They have a little mud area. That is so dope. The little mud section right here. I cannot believe they don't jump over that. But yeah, look at the little nose marks everywhere. This is the mud side. You can see the pigs over there. Let's walk over there. Bro, there's no way that people don't come over here and feed these things. There's no way that people don't feed these. It's next to a DeFi bounce house stadium thing where kids play on trampolines. Look at that hog. Dude, those are straight boar hog. Danny, Redneck Dan, what would you do to that boar hog? Nothing. That's right. Look at this guy. Hey, buddy. Sleeping out in the open? And there's actually more sleeping inside their house over here. It's a very, very nice enclosure. And you know what I've always noticed about hogs or pigs in general? A lot of people don't realize they're super clean, surprisingly. Now, these hogs don't smell as good as like the fully domesticated ones that I've got. But I do have a boar hog. And I tell you what, they're a lot cleaner than you think. They're very smart. They like to poop in certain sections, so the enclosure's not just covered with poop like a goat's enclosure. Pretty cool to see these guys in front of Bass Pro Shops.
Smell good?
They don't smell good. They don't smell bad. These hogs definitely don't smell good, but my farm does not smell that bad. All right, let's go inside here. Let's check out what kind of bows they got. Oh.
No.
Oh. Huh?
Keep walking.
Why?
No.
Dude, look at this thing. It's got the drop bed and everything. Hydraulic bed, bro. I could put all the feed for the farm in here. How much is this? 16,000. Yep, we're gonna keep walking. Now, of course, the first place I'm gonna be, the aquarium. There's a heck of a lot of big fish in here, including a catfish right in front of me. Look at this catfish right here. He's just chilling in the flow, just chilling. Got big old redfish, which I really want to make a trip up north to do these fishing. We go fishing for those big old redfish in the inlet. It's very, very fun. I used to do it when I was a kid. I haven't done it in a while. But if y'all want to see that video, let me know. I think it would be sick for YouTube. There's some long-nosed gar in here. Wanted. A good fish for the aquarium. Call. Wait a second. They need a fish? They need fish. Smallmouth bass, 5 pounds. Crappie, 3 pounds. Largemouth bass, 8 pounds. Interested in others, over 5. We might have to be catching Bass Pro Shops some fish, folks. I don't know why they'd want more largemouth. They have an unbelievable amount of largemouth bass, as is. Those redfish are so sick. I've never been able to understand how they get giant bull reds. I'm talking massive redfish like that to live with largemouth. That's completely fresh water. All right, Danny, we're heading over to your favorite section, the hunting section. Yeah. This is where all the bow and arrows are.
The things that we're not allowed to say on YouTube are.
Yeah, well, bow and arrow. I think we're allowed to say bow and arrow. Bow and arrow. Look at these things. Holy smokes, cool. Crossbows. So I think last time I was here, it was quite some time ago, folks. And we thought about getting like the basic stuff. Like this is just the reel and some arrows, which we obviously need the bow itself. Last time I got a pretty nice one. So, big selection of bows here to use. I don't even know what these things cost. 400, 419, 380.
Yeah, bad news.
These are more affordable. 60.
That won't work.
Why not?
It doesn't have enough oomph.
To go through the fish?
Yeah.
Okay. This one definitely has enough oomph. This is 220.
What are the odds the one that you have is at the house and you just don't know where it went?
Probably very high.
So, you know, since I'm Paul's financial advisor, maybe we'll go home, look for it, and if we find it, then we will save money on the video. That way we make money on these videos because we're not making money.
It's all about just having fun, right?
Yep.
Let's just spend 400.
No.
Okay. Oh, this is Brenton's favorite spot. Brenton. Oh, Brenton needs to see this tent. We can bring this onto an island and spend an entire night on the island with this tent. That is Mimas Sasso Grande El Pescado tent. Look at the inside here, and there's an outside screened in area. Oh goodness, I need to FaceTime him right now. Please answer, Brenton, please answer. I need to show you this tent. Brenton, please answer. All right, they hate me. You know what, Brenton and Jaquan? You'll never see this tent. How about that? You'll never see it. Oh, oh. Aha! Brenton is awake. Aha! The man himself is awake. How you doing? You just wake up?
No.
Yeah, your eyes are swollen.
No.
I have to show you this tent. It has an interior and exterior. Yes.
Does that tent have a bedroom?
It has 2 bedrooms and an outdoor screened in area.
Where is this at?
Bass Pro.
Let's get it for a live stream so we can go
Okay.
live with it.
Should I buy this thing?
Bro, we should do a live stream with it. in Florida.
Yes. Speaking of live stream, why not I promote that at this moment? We now have a Twitch account. It's linked in the description down below, me and Brenton. And we're gonna be doing live streams on Twitch of these crazy
We're gonna
experiences.
play with each other on camera.
No, we're not gonna do, we're Brenton. The Twitch account is called Brenton and Paul. We're gonna be doing live streams every single week, probably weekly, hopefully. Or are you just sitting there smiling like you're next to me? Brenton's with me. I'm gonna buy this tent and we're gonna stay on that tent for the first stream. Where are we going for the first stream? No, we're not. We're staying on the houseboat in the middle of the river catching giant alligator gar for the first stream.
Oh yeah, we are.
We are. Our streams are going to be next level. Nothing you've ever seen. None of these little kiddos running around fighting each other and doing immature activities. This is going to be super fun and mature activities. Twitch is linked down below. Follow us there. Don't miss our streams. I'm buying this tent. I'm actually buying this tent. Brenton is gone. He's gone, but I'm buying the tent. We're back in the trail cam section. This is what I've wanted to do for so long now. I'm not gonna lie, just turn around, I thought that mannequin was a human. With no head. With no head on it. Anyway, back to this. Trail cams. I wanna put these in my backyard, or whether it's my backyard or like a field somewhere by my backyard, and see what kind of predators we could find with these cameras. These will turn on automatically when an animal walks by in the wilderness. So if you wanna see that, smash the like button. It's definitely a video I plan to do coming up, but I'd love to see your feedback on that. Trail cameras are sick, and I've always wanted to take advantage of this product and make a badass YouTube video.
We like taking advantage of a lot of things.
If you don't know what a trail camera is, it's literally a camera that blends into the tree. It has an automatic sensor so that when an animal walks by, you get cool video footage and it saves it to the SD card inside of the trail cam. So there's many different options, but I plan to definitely do some with these. I want to start doing outdoor stuff a lot more on the channel and switch it up. And of course, just do everything that involves animals and outdoors and entertaining y'all watching. Trail cam video probably coming soon. So we're gonna get the heck out of Bass Pro Shops. This was a super cool, fun experience, and hopefully find the bow at home. And I'll see you at Buddy Old Pal's ranch here. Folks, we made a little pit stop before going over to the ranch to visit our boat. I haven't mentioned a single thing about this boat unless you follow me on Snapchat, which you'll see a lot of stuff before YouTube does. Link in the description. This right here is a 24-foot Seahawk. I have footage of literally buying the boat, bringing it here, testing the boat, the whole 9 yards, and that'll all be a video from start to finish of this boat build. But we're here right now because they just finished the entire bottom. We gutted the entire thing from all the wood because this boat was built in 1998, so we wanted to take all the wood frame and make it essentially all fiberglass, so it's a lot stronger now, which it's pretty much rebuilding the boat from scratch, and all that will be in the video of buying the boat, and of course having the T-top and the motor and everything installed in the boat. It's all gonna be one big video. Hopefully hopefully be done in the next few months. The plan with this boat is really, really cool too, because I actually want to be able to take y'all watching right here, the Cuffaros, out on this thing. So it's a really cool project, but I just wanted to update you guys on it and actually mention it on the channel. More on this definitely later. But as you can see, they could finally start fiberglassing all of this now. And then of course paint the entire interior. It looks so different, dude. It's crazy. So I guess I just wanted to throw a little teaser in this video. Now we're gonna go bow fishing. By the way, we went back home. We're an hour and a half from home now. We went back home and got my bow. I found it. It was in the barn, but we got my bow. So we got one bow and arrow to work with. Hopefully we could do the trick with the one bow and arrow. But this thing, I thought I lost it. We got it. All right, folks, we've made it to the ranch. And out here, we will find all sorts of stuff. Let's go. Danny, what are we whipping?
We are whipping a Can-Am Defender.
Fellas, I've got the polarized lenses on. Bill of the hat over the lenses. And we're riding the side of this canal looking for some stuff to shoot. We got the bow in the back. The bow's in the back. I probably should get that. Forgot we were bow fishing. Holy crystal clear water. It's beautiful scenery. Very nice. It's actually probably the most incredible property that I have ever had the privilege to visit and see. That's some tilapia beds right there. 400 acres. Just straight marsh. Florida marsh. All right, pulled up to the first spot. It's so weird looking at myself in this camera with glasses on. Let's do some damage here, folks. We just need some fish food. I'm looking for some tilapia sitting on beds, but I got no luck so far. We're just walking this canal. It's actually pretty deep off the bank, and hopefully we come across some fish that we could take this and just, you know? I'm gonna hop in here with you. It's probably a lot more efficient on the legs, huh?
You go to the gym, dude. What do you mean?
I know. Turn off. All right, we're walking into the marsh. Like, there could be an alligator right where my footsteps right here for all I know. Look at my feet. This is insane. Oh, look at these plecos. Can you see them on camera? 2 plecos right there. All right, folks. Take this, Daniel. I'm gonna try to grab this thing with my hand. Oh. Oh yeah. That's sick. That's an alligator. That right there is an alligator. I'm out.
Watch out behind you. Watch out. Go, go, go.
Dude, can't be messed. I'm out. That's it. That's enough said. Wrap it up. Where are we going? Where are you taking me, Danny?
You never return.
Like what in the heck? We're literally driving straight through sawgrass. How do you know that's not a canal? That is a canal. Holy smokes. That is a canal. What the? This right here is what Florida's all about. This is why we love Florida. Right there's a bed. I'm shaking like a... That was a money shot, dude.
Dude.
Money shot. Absolute... Was a money shot. Thought I got him. I thought I absolutely stoned him.
I'm gonna stone you in a second if you don't kill a fish.
I know, that was bad. That was kind of like... That was embarrassing. Let's keep going. This dock has 1,000 fish. Do you see it on camera?
Whoa.
They're blowing up. Oh my God, look at the bass.
Whoa.
Look at that bass. Can you see him on camera?
Maybe.
That is nuts. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I know what we'll be able to see it. That's this camera. So we're gonna go under.
Couple bluegill, eh? Look at the koi. See the koi on the end of the dock?
Oh my God, there's a koi just chilling. That's literally a koi fish. All right.
Shoot that big Oscar. No, look at the one right here, Paul. Behind you. Right here. Hey, oh,
that's a good shot.
You almost got him.
We just found this dock where once a day these feeders go off. So the fish are just migrated, waiting for this feeder to go off. And Danny said we need to cheat the system. So we're gonna cheat the system.
You take this and you just, and it's like piranhas.
Now we see these big tilapia here. That's what we want. Now we're gonna stay far and clear of bluegill, largemouth bass, and the fish species that actually need to be here. The invasive species of the tilapia, that's what we're after. So we're just gonna take our time, sit back, wait a little bit. That bass just ate a bluegill, and wait till we see a good enough sized tilapia. I'm sitting here for the last 15 minutes. It's actually crazy. I'm still trying to get one. So we're having quite the struggle, but we're gonna make it happen. Danny left me, by the way. He left, completely left. so hard. Oh yeah, a whole bed load of feed for the farm. This is one of my favorite days, right, Tommy?
Yeah.
You love the feed day.
Feed farm day.
Favorite day.
Feed favorite day.
We have to unload all this into the backyard, and of course the goats are about to get a nice old bale of green. Wow, today's hay is extremely green. What up? Holy smokes, the turkeys are getting big. What up, guys? I got hay coming. There's hay coming for you guys. I know, little baby. Oh! You know, it's the next morning. We went bow fishing yesterday, and unfortunately could not get, for the life of us, roll the clips of how many times we missed.
Hey, oh.
Yeah, we couldn't catch any. We couldn't do it. I'm typically not one to ever give up either. I have not given up. We're gonna do a part 2 to this. I just have to fly. I have to leave. So today, instead of bow fishing a tilapia, I'll show you. We're gonna get one that has already been bow fished. Tilapia. I know, boo-hoo. I'm mad at myself, all right? I couldn't do it. I couldn't clutch up. But this right here is exactly what we would have had. A frozen tilapia. And that is exactly, look how much feed we have in there, holy smokes. We're just gonna defrost this, and we're gonna feed our monster freshwater fish. Because I gotta catch a flight. And if I don't do this, then I'll miss my flight if I go try to catch more. Because we all know how long a bow fishing episode could take for me, PC. I'll miss 500 times. You know, I'm genuinely curious if a pig would eat this. I think my pig would definitely eat this, that's for sure. Now on over to here, we're doing a 50% water change, which, oh, hey guys. I just realized that we were doing a water change. Wow, today's just not the day to feed tilapia, I guess. Let's see. Beast will probably still eat. Beast don't give a crap what water level it's at. Yep, there it goes. Woohoo! Down the whole fillet by himself. If you didn't watch the video, like I said, we swam with these guys. It's crazy. The video is nuts. We've been adventurous lately. I mean, the next video is crazy too, which I can't wait to share. I love making videos. I just love it. Thanks so much for watching these videos too, by the way. If you haven't already and you want to see these types of videos literally live with me and Brenton, we just created a Twitch account. We're gonna do a lot of live streaming. That is in the link in the description. Definitely go follow our Twitch. You will not regret the live streams. Spending 24 hours on an island, literally streaming for like hours long. Overnight in the middle of the ocean on a raft. We're gonna do some of the craziest stuff the internet, or at least Twitch, has ever seen, that's for dang sure. Some people watch these streamers that just hang out in their room and talk, which is cool, more power to them, but we're gonna do something no one else on the app has ever seen. So make sure to go follow there. I appreciate all your support. Unfortunately, we didn't bow anything. We didn't actually like, you know, like stick into a tilapia and then come back and feed the pond. We're doing a water change anyway, and of course, I showed you what the heck bow fishing is all about, which unfortunately, if you guys want to see a part 2 where we actually like take a couple days of doing it because I need help, I'll also do that. Just leave a like down below. I need landscapes so bad. And we're also building a big lizard enclosure here, I think. But I need landscapes so bad. I'm so tired of this dirt. There's dirt everywhere. Turkeys, why you gotta poop on the dang sidewalk? They sleep right here, and then they poop all over the sidewalk right here. So I gotta spray it off every day. Every day I gotta spray that off. You know that? Every day. It's time to feed our goats. Ugh. By the way, this is Mima Salsel Grande, the 1500 Ram. Fully base model stock. She is solid, let me tell you. Enjoy, my fellow goats. Enjoy. They haven't had hay in a day or two because of the holiday weekend and I ran out. So right now they are loving life. Loving life. Sorry about the wait, guys. I'm so sorry. They actually need hay. It's a huge part of their diet. So I'm glad we got that taken care of now. Boots loves it. He's always the first one over here. Hi, yeah, Mia, did you jump in the pool, girl? Oh yeah, Mia jumped in the pool. She's soaking wet. Goodness gracious, it's crazy here at the farm. Rick and Morty just wanted to say one more thing. Right, Rick and Morty? This is Rick and that's Morty, and that's Rick and this is Morty. I don't know which one's which. I think they're both females though. And we got some cool plans for this enclosure here soon. We'll see you right back here in the very next video. I'm breaking a sweat. My goodness. Peace.